here's our recipe. We have to get our ingredients together because I am assuming that the 30 minutes does not include running around the kitchen and getting your ingredients. So we're going to do what we see chefs do on television, and that is gather everything they need before they get started. Ingredients gathered. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to set a timer. And a timer for 30 minutes. Some water. It's hot. Going for 2 minutes on each side. I'm calling this a success. And I got it done in 30 minutes. Well, it was a success. And I would say it was a success because I actually got all my ingredients together, had everything ready to go before I started. I think that made a big difference. I don't think I could have done it in 30 minutes if I had had to run all over the place looking for my ingredients as I went. So I took the time at the beginning. I put all the ingredients together. They were all on the counter. All I had to do was grab and put it in the dish, and I got it done in 30 minutes. So see you next time for the next challenge.